Hi guys, afternoon. Almost evening. Musta? Yeah, I was so busy in the past hours today because daming ganap. Look at my hair. I cut my hair already. No more to that kind of look. So this is my new hair. And I feel like I'm quite comfortable with this. You know what? I learned a new way of pronouncing the word comfortable. It's not actually comfortable. I learned it when I had my, virtual training with my company. It's not really comfortable. So it's like silent F-O-R, comfortable, so hard. But when your speech organs or speech mechanisms get used with it, then it's gonna be so smooth already. So it's comfortable. I'm not really comfortable. You do not really, you do not really emphasize strongly for, like after the first syllable com, the second syllable is for, because the word has comfortable. So the word has four syllables, but the second syllable is not really given strong emphasis. So you don't say comfortable, it's comfortable. Okay? Yeah, believe me, I've been specializing English, phonology, IPA based. You know IPA? International Phonetic Alphabet. Actually, it's not even the word phonics. Oh my god, it's not phonics. Spell it. Phonic. I don't know spelling. Oh my goodness. That's so we used to pronounce it phonics, right? Phonics. But actually that's a phonics. Phonics, not phonics, okay? So that becomes a. So that's a phonics, and that's based on the IPA International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay? So even if you would check its pronunciation using the pronouncing guide in the dictionary, especially the Cambridge dictionary, so it's really phonics. It's like F-A-N-I-K-S. So that's phonics, never phonics. Okay? But phonics has been accepted by many already, but that's substandards. But the standard way is phonics. Okay, so why settle for substandard if you know the standard? All right, that's all. Love you all.